Hi, in this video we are going to be looking at how to factor trinomials that I would consider to be like the easy ones. That is, anytime there's no coefficient in front of the n squared or the squared term, well, that's the coefficient of 1. So these are generally the easy ones to factor, in that we know that at the front of the brackets there has to be something to multiply out to n squared. So this can be n times n. And we know that at the end of the brackets we have to find numbers that multiply out to 12, positive 12, and add up to positive 8. Okay, so they multiply out to the end and add up to the middle. So, well, 1 and 12 times is out to 12, but it doesn't add up to 8. 2 times 6 is 12, and those also add up to 8, and they're both positive. Okay, so you guys will remember how to do these, hopefully. And in the next one, we're going to start. As soon as we see that it's an easy one to do, we can just write our brackets out and know that it's like n times n in this case. So here we got to look for two numbers that multiply out to negative 30 and add up to negative 7. Okay, a couple little pointers is if that last sign is a positive, that means the signs will be the same. And if this last sign is a negative, we're going to have like one negative and one positive. One negative and one positive. All right, so we're looking for a one positive and one negative number. So whenever you have a positive and a negative number, when you add them, you kind of end up subtracting them. So let's just see how that works out here. So 10 times 3 gives me a multiplication of 30. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7. So as soon as you see that n sign is a subtract sign, you're looking for numbers that multiply out to 30, but then subtract to the middle number. That sometimes makes it easier. Okay, so we know it's going to be negative 10 and positive 3. Okay, so that is negative 10 and positive 3. All right, so it's just a matter of kind of going through and figuring those things out. My mouse has got a mind of its own there. All right, so that's the basic idea.